Okay, so this is a card game for 2 to 4 players using randomness and zero knowledge proofs. Uh, let's get started. Yeah, first let's set up a game. Few initial values we need to give, like how many players we want in the game. Let's start with three. And what is the time limit? This is like this is like a check which we need for edge cases where player leave the game, and other players have tokens deposited which they cannot retrieve. So if the time limit crosses this value, then match can be forfeit and other players can get their money back. Let's go with 10 minutes, and the number of rounds can be 4, and pot size can be some value like 1.2. So this is a test token which I've created for this particular game. This can be used to airdrop test token to your account. Let's start. Okay, now we are waiting for other players to join, so let's join in from other 2 players. Yeah, okay, so we have joined from all the players. Now first we will draw cards. So this will distribute cards to each player randomly using the randomness, and then one card is randomly drawn from the deck as well. So let's go over the concept of the game. So this round, so the round is won by the player whose card is closest to the card on the deck in comparison to the players. So it does not need to be absolutely close, but relatively closest to the card on the table with respect to the players. First part is like each player will play a card face down so that other players can't see it. So that's like this player plays 3. So like if we check from other players, they won't be able to see which card this player has played. So let's play the cards from other 2 players as well. So now all the players have played their card face down. The next part is to reveal the card. So this hidden part is achieved using ZK proofs, and they are also used to ensure that players are not cheating. Now let's reveal the cards to other players. Now all the cards are revealed. So next part is to submit a transaction to calculate the score and move to next round. This can be attached to the last transaction, but for simplicity it has been done as a separate transaction. Okay, the score is calculated, and we can see the winner is this player, and so the winner gets 3 points, and if there is like multiple winners of the round, then each player gets 1 point. Now let's fast forward to the last round. Now this is the last round as only one card is left, so no need for players to submit each card separately. I hadn't revealed the card, so there's just one more transaction to finish the match. Yeah, so now the winner will get the prize money minus the 20 basis point which is collected by the treasury, and yeah, so that is and yeah, rest of the players won't get any prize money. So yeah, so this is basically the game, and they have like improvements which can be done. So like some tweaking is required in the gameplay on the scoring side, and as well as like the rounds to make it more strategic, and I'll be implementing them in future. Like as I played the game, I understood like some parts can be improved. Also, right now I'm using public indexer for data. Private indexer will make UI more performant. On the contract side, gas can be reduced if some data can be stored off chain and verified on chain, and then gas can be reduced. And there are some security and edge cases which need to be looked at. There are some unit tests missing which need to be written. I was facing some issues with the randomness call, so they are still pending. And finally, like UI can be improved to make it more player friendly. But so this is the game using randomness. On